2022 Chevy Silverado, the LTZ. This has a lot of chrome trim. We're doing running boards on this truck made by Steelcraft Automotive. These are called the 4X stainless steel with the chrome finish. So there's a step pad for each side to use. These come with custom mounting brackets, so we don't have to drill any holes in the truck. It's all designed to match. These are steel brackets. There's holes already there that'll line up with the truck. We have different selections of Steelcraft Automotive Nerf bars. We're in Phoenix, Truck Access Plus, or you can look at our options online, truckaccessplus.com. Same day installation and great customer service.